Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about CSS properties. In this tutorial we are going to cover CSS color properties. At first I am taking two paragraphs in a container division, and by using internal CSS, I am going to apply the color properties to both the p tags. At first, I have provide color value as red to the both p tags by accessing using tag name. Now I am providing a class name for first para as first p, and by using css.selector I am applying color proper I as blue. And same like that for para2, I have named it as second p and applied color value as blue violet. Remember, in CSS we can apply CSS color properties in three ways. We can apply by writing color name, and we can also use hexadecimal color code as value, and at last we can use RGB value to provide color to the elements in HTML. Here in this tutorial we can see all the three ways of CSS color properties. By using hexadecimal color code we can apply colors in CSS, and this color codes can be get from various online resources as we need it. Here RGB having default values is 000 for red, blue, green. By changing those values, we can generate different types of colors, and here the fourth value is provided as opacity value. Opacity value is used to decrease the intensity of color that is applied. Based on the value of opacity, the color intensity is defined.